What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the wiper blades on this 2001 BMW 325Xi. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. Alright, now this blade, this is not a factory blade. It does have an aftermarket blade on it. This style blade, I'm just going to slide this off right here and this little piece stays in there. Then I will grab underneath here. There'll be a little clip underneath there, push on that, and you can slide that off. The new blade is more like the factory style blade. Slide this in here, lock it in place. And there you go, do the same for the other side.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.